kind of going back to public information, I'm looking up businesses that are like a newly filed business. In the state of Florida, I was able to find who has recently filed their DBA, and then I had to click one more link to find out who the business owner is. But so I found the business owner. I was wondering if I created a bot that could take that information and then do a search in, Avagadata to find their cell numbers.
Yeah, I mean, so you can save a lot of money if you were able to build the script to pull that data. All you need is an address or an address and name. So with the address and name, same thing like what Sean raised his hand for skip tracing. It's all the same. You can save a lot of money if you actually bring the data to the party, because then that means we don't have to scrape it for you. You just bring the CSV.
You're saying if I build a script for an app to do it, that's an option, you're saying?
Exactly.
Until you
save a lot of time, yeah.
Until you guys have something built out.
Well, actually, a big reason I made Avagadata was because I used to be the guy always building those things for every county. Scraping, like a website's just a table, and if someone, let's say, adds another header, the whole table shifts, which means you have to rebuild the scraper. So I got out of not really wanting to do that for 5 years. So a big reason we put this together is so if individuals have their own scraping that they want to do, we're putting this out where you can integrate your own scraper, pull the data in, and then you can plug it into one of our apps to do the enrichment in real time. And then it will deposit it into your database that you created for yourself. And then that data you can resell on the market or to your white label users or to your own users. It's a giant, it's not even like a marketplace, it's more of a network because it just can go on continuously.
I was asked if on consumer leads, if you guys it's on the roadmap where they could search by like a street name or say like maybe a radius if they put like an address in. And this is coming from a roofer or roofing sales company. And actually they don't want consumers, they want homeowners because you get a lot of renters that they're not the decision maker.
So you do the snapshot and then you have to filter out and skip trace or enrich to like the homeowner's info and stuff like that. What Brian's about to show you is, yes, we're working on a solution for that. Frankly, it's not that far off.
I saw him put this on his Facebook last week.
Yeah.
So with this whole thing here, right? I started it because someone was supposed to pay us to finish it, but it's not finished. So anyone that wants to pay us $7,000 gets it for 3 years from that. So the whole thing is concept, it hail traces the box, you'll get all the home addresses. And then just like what we were talking about with the scraping of the businesses on the SunBiz, same idea, city, state, and we'll skip trace it to the information of the homeowner. In terms of building other polygons, but it's set up where you can draw different territories, resell the ability for someone to get the appointments there.